Good morning, dears. Yesterday we have completed up to question number 4, where we have found the third proportion. Now here in question number 5, they have asked you to get the fourth proportion to the given numbers. Okay, the numbers are 4, 14 and 38. Same way, let the fourth proportion be x. So 4:14 proportion with 38:x. We can write it 4 into x is equal to 14 into 38, or x is equal to 14 into 38 by 4. 2 2s are 2 7s are 2 19s are. So this gives you x is equal to 133. Is it? In the same way, look at question number 3. This is 5 1. 5 3, it is 1.6, 3.2 and 4.8. Let the fourth proportion be x. So it gives you 1.6 is to 3.2 proportion with 4.8 is to x. Is it? It's the same process we are going to use, whether it is a fraction or decimal. You don't get confused with the decimal or fraction. Be calm and solve. It's a very simple. 1.6 decimal we have reduced. 16 2s are 32. So x is equal to 9.6. Is it? Similarly, for question number 4, you have given two fractions, 1 by 2, 3 by 5 and 9 by 4. Is it? You can convert 9 by 4 as 94 by 10. But why? What is the need of it? Let the fourth proportion. Let the fourth proportion be x. So 1 by 2 is 2, 3 by 5 proportion with 9 by 4 is to x. Done. So it gives you 1 by 2 into x is equal to 3 by 5 into 9 by 4. Okay. Now see, x, if it is 3 by 5 into 9 by 4 here, this will be divided by 1 by 2. It's the same thing. Now we bring this side as a division. So to make you less confused, you should not be confused more. I did not write it in complex fraction. I just took it divided by 1 by 2. Or we can write 3 by 5 into 9.4 into 2. No problem. Now we can cancel this. 5 ones are 5, 4 point, 5 8s are 40, 5 8s are 40. Is done. Now you see x is equal to 3 2s are 6, 6 8s are 48, 6 8s are 48 and 4 52, 6 1s are 6 and 5 11. It gives you 11.28. Is it? In this way we will be solving. Number 5 is given 2 hours, 1 hour 30 minutes. 1 hour 30 minutes, you can convert it into 1.2 hours. Is it? Everything should be in hour or everything should be in minute. Look at this also. Afterward, we will be solving next questions. Number 5 is given 2 hour, 1 hour 30 minutes and 6 hours. Is it? Let the fourth proportion be x. So therefore we can write it 2 is to 1.2 proportion with 6 is to x as 1 hour 30 minutes is equal to 1 hour plus 30 by 60 hours. It gives you 1 by 2.2 or 1.5 you can write. 1 whole 1 by 2 or 1.5. It gives you 1 whole 1 by 2. Or if you write, it gives you 1.5 hours, not 1.2, 1.5 hours. Now solve 2 into x is equal to 1.5 into 6, or x is equal to 1.5 into 6 by 2. 2 3s are 6, or x is equal to 4.5, or x is equal to 4 hours 30 minutes. Finished. Now question number 6. Find the second term of proportion whose first, third and fourth terms are given. Is the same as question number 5. We have to get the second term. Let the second term be x. Question number 6. Let the second term be x. So 24 is to x proportion with 8 is to 44. So 24 into 44 is equal to 8 into x, or 24 into 44 by 8 is equal to x. Is it? 8 3s are 24, or 132 is equal to x. So second term is equal to 132. Next question says, find the ratio of the age of Ria to her father. The ratio of age of Ria to her father is 3:5. If her father's age is 75, find the age of Ria. Ratio of Ria and father's age is, whenever it like this terms are given, ratio and the ones value is given 7. Ratio between Ria and her father age is equal to 3:5. Means Ria is 3 years, 5 years, father is 5 years. Is like that ratio. Now father's here is age is given. Father's age is 75 years. Is it? So Ria's age you have to find. If you go with x comes, let the Ria's age be x. So 3:5 proportion with x is to 75. So no need to go that much. Just what we are going to do, Ria's age represented by 3. So what we have to get, that we will write as a numerator by 5 into 75. If it is out of 5 3, so out of 75 how much? The main purpose is this. So we'll just cancel 15 5s are 75, 45 years. Whatever we have to find, that ratio will be written as numerator. As you can see, question number 8, the copper and alloy is in the ratio of 15:11. Copper's weight is 18.75 kg. Then find the weight of alloy. We are not going to find all the weights and all. Ratio between copper and brass in alloy is equal to 15:11. Weight of copper is equal to 18.75 kg. So the weight of brass would be, what was the ratio for brass? 11. So we'll write 11 up by 15 into 18.75. Understood? What we have to find, that always will be written as a numerator. Now we'll cut it with 15. 15 ones are 15. 15 twos are 30. 15 fives are 75. 1.25, or when you multiply 11 5s are 55, 11 2s are 22 and 5 27, 11 1s are 11 and 2 13, 13.75 kg is the weight of brass. In a colony, 3 out of every 10 children wear spectacles. If there are 800 children in the colony, how many children do not wear spectacles? If 3 out of 10 wears, then how many do not wear? 7 do not wear? According to the question number 9, according to the question, 3 out of 10 children wear spectacles. So, number of children do not wear out of 10 do not wear spectacles is equal to 10 minus 3, 7. Total children is given 800. So, children do not wear spectacles is equal to 7 by 10 into 800. 560 children do not wear the spectacles. You can find here also 3 by 10 into 800. 240 wear. So 800 minus 240. 560 do not wear. Okay. Number 10. In an organization, the number of chairs is 3 by 5 of 2000 chairs and tables. The number of chair and table is in total 2000, and including chair and table it is 2000, and the number of chair is 3 by 5 of 2000. So we have to get the first number of chair. See, question number 10. Number of total chairs and tables is equal to 2000. Chair 3 by 5 are 3 by 5 of 2000 are chairs. So number of chairs is equal to 3 by 5 into 2000. 1200. So number of table would be 2000 minus 1200, 800. Now first it says number of chairs and tables, got it. Second it says ratio of tables to the total number of chairs and tables. So number B, ratio of tables to total chair and tables, is it? Chairs and tables. So this gives you total table we have 800, only table we have 800, and total chairs and table we had 2000. So what would be the ratio? Zeros will cancel. 2 4s are, 2 10s are, 2 2s are, 2 5s are. So this gives you 2:5. Is it dear? Now this next 11, 12, 13 we'll do next day. So till then you keep practicing and try to complete question number 5. Okay. Thank you.